Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot without buttons on this device. So usually if you want to take screenshot, you just hold down the combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second like this. And that's how you can take screenshot. But there's also another method to take screenshot. You can just hold down power key, and after this turn off menu appears, you just tap on this button screenshot, and it works exactly the same way. And after that your screenshots will be saved to the gallery, and here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.